Happy birthday to my big brother, boss ng mga Titans, and now mayor ng Marantao. Even before you became mayor, nakita ko na kung anong potential mo when it comes to leadership. I've witnessed na on several occasions paano ka inatasan na mag-negotiate for the release of kidnapped victims. Nakita ko rin paano mo sinecure ang ARMM and yung leadership mo during the first few days of Marawi siege. Yung famous line mo na hold your fire. It saved many lives kasi isang putok lang, isang pagkakamali lang, maraming madidiskrasya sa side ng mga tao na nasa loob ng provincial capital at that time at saka yung mga government troops na nasa labas. So with your quick and sound decision, you were able to save many lives. Alam ko marami ka ng ginawa for Marantao at marami ka pang pangarap, marami ka pang gagawin. And isa lang ang request ko, you stay healthy at always ingat kasi iba yung talagang frontliner na talagang sumusugot sa where the action is. Kaya ingat, stay healthy, and enjoy time with your family. Don't forget that. Happy birthday.
Makoy, happy birthday.